This is the Lefant robot vac. I've had this for a while now. I use it all the time. Right there's the charging station there on the upper right. All I do is hit the button and then let this thing roam around the house. It does have an app, and you can hook that up to your Wi-Fi, use Google Assistant or Alexa, or program the app to roam around the house the way you want it to. I just hit the button and let it go. I don't have it hooked up to my Wi-Fi. It works great like that. It just goes where it wants, and then when the battery's about dead, it goes back home. But I'm going to take the lid off and show you what's inside here. I'm going to open it up. Oh my gosh. It's actually kind of embarrassing, but you can see how well it works just by looking at this. Like, there's hair in there. Let me set it down for a second and I'll check out the rest of it. But you can see there's kind of like lint. It looks like there's a plastic thing that maybe had a clothes tag on it or something. There's a bunch of dirt. There's a little ponytail there. There's another little ponytail there from my daughter's. Just all kinds of hair in there, and then it's a bunch of sand and dirt on the bottom. So that's actually pretty gross. I'm going to go dump this out real quick, but that's how well this thing works. It comes apart real easily. There's a little filter there on the side, and you can clean that out too as well. There's the inside look of it. It just sets back in there. It doesn't snap. Like, you don't have to do a lot of pulling on it. And then the lid just sits right back on top like that, and you can hit the button and it'll get going again. This one does go over top of thin rugs too. It goes over my rugs by the doors, and it also fits well under the furniture too. So it's a great vac.